actually a meditation technique that is very useful for people who want to de-stress and get rid of worry and negative emotions. So we are constantly being conditioned by the society that we should always be useful to the society. Resting is considered to be a sin. So if you're taking a Sunday and if you're just lying on your bed the whole day and doing nothing, even your own family members will get agitated. They will feel that something is wrong with you. This meditation technique is called as just be useless. The beauty of uselessness. So once in a week, please take time, 2 hours, 1 hour or 2 hours as per your convenience, and just be useless. Don't do anything. Just go for a walk or something, but inside you feel like you're just going to be useless. And you don't try to do anything to be useful or to cook or to help somebody or to worry about the nation. So inside your brain, so uselessness is not just outside that you're not doing any work. Inside your mind, you should not try to do something. The mind should absolutely get in tune with uselessness. Just be useless. Don't think, don't do anything. Enjoy the nature, soak in the nature, soak in the present moment. Or if you're inside your house, just soak in the present moment. You can listen to nature sounds and relaxation musics. And just become useless for the day. So this will give you a lot of energy for the remaining week to run and do your work. So what happens in this meditation is you gain a lot of energy because you are in a relaxation mode. Your body goes through a healing process and it generates lots of energy so that the next week will go on smoothly. And for serious meditation practices also, this method is very useful. This can be used whenever you're free if you're very serious about meditation. If you're into a spiritual process, then becoming useless is very good, because there is nothing like you should be useful always. So that's why in India there is a term which is called sannyas is there. That is, you're going to be very useless for the society and to